So how would you fix the 0.5x camera on the iPhone? Let me explain it and talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are more reasons or things which could be going on with it. Like if you go to the camera, you can see that as long as you are in the main mode, whether the main photo or main video, you can always tap on the 0.5x, and in the photo, same thing, 0.5, and it zooms it out. This depends heavily on the iPhone model that you have. For example, this is the iPhone 15 and it has the dual lens camera setup. One is the regular main lens and the other one is the ultra wide one. Of course, it might happen that some devices do not have it, like the 16E, for example, doesn't have the ultra wide. So on this phone, we don't even have the 0.5x. So, you know, in the camera, when we get there, there isn't any way to get there. But also on the different models, on the Pro devices, you have even more camera lenses. So one of them is even the telephoto. So my point is that you need to know and figure out which of the lens is the 0.5 so you can focus on that one and make sure you give it a nice clean or whatever you need to do with it. Because you can see that if I go to the camera mode and switch to the 0.5, I need to figure out which camera it is, right? So I'm tapping on this one, but this appears to be the main camera, right? But the other one, the one at the top, is actually the ultra wide. So if you want to give it a little clean, you need to know and figure out which one is actually the 0.5 one. So that's something you can do, and of course use the microfiber cloth to like clean it up and everything. Right, so that's something you can definitely do. Outside of that, if you wish to get like the best result in terms of the 0.5x or, you know, the ultra wide camera, it would make sense if you actually went all the way there. Because as you can see, you can kind of like go between the 1x and 0.5, and even in the middle sections, you can kind of like see the view, right? But the best quality will be when you get all the way there to the 0.5 or when you switch to the 1. The in-between is like the zoomed in version of each camera, so these are going to be of slightly lower quality. Right, so as you can see, it kind of like switches when I go there, so you can literally see how it changes the camera that is actually being used. So that's just a couple of tips I wanted to share, but if you actually want to make some changes or get like the update of the camera, if there is anything buggy, the only way you can update the built-in camera would be by going to the settings, general, and a general software update for the whole phone. And if you are up to date, you know that you have the latest software of everything, including the camera. So if there is something very specific which I did not cover in this video, let me know about it below so I can make an updated video in the future. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.